Hey everybody, it's Nick from Hawk Pro Detailing, where my goal is to make you a better detailer. Today I'm going to talk about how to make those beautiful triangle lines when you're extracting the carpet. I actually had a viewer ask me, Nick, how do you do that? And I realized it's dummy simple, but when I first started detailing, I didn't know how to do it. Okay, for you newbies out there, you hit it with an all-purpose cleaner, a pre-spray, you agitate the carpet. What goes in your extractor basin? I like Flex Ice. Flex Ice is low pH, acidic rinse, amazing cleaning properties as it sprays into the carpet. But let's just show you how to do the lines, right? And then we can worry about that stuff later. You start at the end of your section and you press this down as you pull back. About 2 inches before the end of your pass, I tend to let go and just do a dry section. Then I do a dry pass in that diagonal way up. Let go, dry pass, all the way down, let go just before the end of my pass. The first pass is not as essential. You can go up and down, you can make it as large as you want, but it's up to you to decide where that second line is going to be, and you have to really commit to that second line being straight. And then you just do the same thing on that second line, make sure that's straight, and you've got beautiful carpets. The other half of this carpet's already extracted, so essentially this is the space that I still need to extract. So like I said, you could go this far if you want on your first pass, it doesn't matter. You just have to decide on that second set of passes, where's your line going to be? Do you want it to be here? Do you want it to be here? It's just up to you. I'm probably going to go up to this line, come down, and try to make that second line right about here. So again, I can get sloppy on the way back on that first section as long as I keep that line steady as I make my second pass. So extracting happens after you've sprayed the carpets down and agitated that all-purpose cleaner, degreaser, pre-spray into the carpet. Using an acidic rinse inside your extractor basin, and you're shooting that liquid into the carpet fibers and pulling it out at the same time. Really, this pattern is just visual, but then is anything just visual? Visual sets a tone. Visual is sales. Sales is critical. Even if you're the best detailer, the best anything, you gotta sell it. You gotta look good. And these extractor lines look good. And there you have it. You see those clean lines. You know it's been cleaned well. It looks super clean. Are all those lines perfect? No. You could go back in there. All you're doing is manipulating the carpet fibers in one direction or the other. It's gonna dry like that, but until it dries, you can finagle that as well as you want. But when a customer sees a carpet that has this kind of line on there, they just know their vehicle has been cleaned.